What is going on, guys? Riley here. Today is day 2 of wrapping the Hellcat. So we're back here at Mob Auto Boutique. We're off to a quick start today. Already prepped the quarter panel here on the driver's side and the passenger side. Working on applying some knifeless tape here, as you can see. If you guys missed the video yesterday, which was the wrap reveal video, well, surprise, here's the wrap. So yesterday we accomplished doing the trunk deck lid, the roof, both doors, both fenders, and the hood. So today we're going to try to knock out both the left and right quarter panels and the front, maybe rear bumper. We're going to just see how far we can get. So yeah, it's going to be another busy day here, and then we're going to go upload the video, which you guys have already seen, so it's kind of like Inception. But we're going to go upload the first video. We'll take a look at some of the first comments and see what you guys think of the wrap. But let's go ahead and apply a quarter panel. All right, we interrupt this broadcast to bring you some unfortunate news. Yeah. Faison.
So remember how I said how expensive this piece of material is and you shouldn't mess it up? Well, if you look right here, it's about the size of my hand. We got some dirt underneath it. Yeah, usually wrap shops, something like this, I mean on a piece this big, they won't really worry about it. But we're not normal, so we gotta take it off.
Let's see, can you see it from the inside?
You see the dirt is.
Oh yeah.
Little small particles.
So you can't really see it too well on camera, but yeah, there's just a bunch of random dirt particles that were just right in this area. And you know, obviously we cleaned this thing a whole bunch, but I guess you know, stuff happens. So while they're out there trimming up the quarter panels, I wanted to show you guys kind of my thought process behind why I chose this wrap. So we're gonna take a look here at the computer. So this is the Fellers website. Now Fellers is a distributor of vinyl wraps, and this is the wrap that I ultimately chose. So the demonstration colors, the demo, whatever you want to call these things, they had a couple on some Subies and then one on a Porsche, but really that was about it. So that was kind of what I had to go off of, and I was like, well, I hope that'll look good on a Challenger. But these are all of the gloss color change wraps. This is the screen I showed you guys about a month ago, and I said my wrap is somewhere on this page, and you know, there's a lot of really cool colors here. I mean, just you can go through yourself. It's just the Fellers website, and there's a bunch of different colors that are good contenders. So it definitely was not an easy process trying to pick just one out of, I mean, they have so many different, you have gloss, satin, color change, chrome, metallic flake. Look at all these different options you can go pick from, and it's really hard to pick just one. But then walking out here, back to the shop, I just can't help but look at this thing and say, damn, it's coming out so good. So as you see, we got that fender, just needs to be trimmed up a little bit. Coming over here to the other side, they are working on applying the passenger side. All right, guys, well, it is 1:14 in the afternoon, and I'm thinking now is a good time to post the video that you guys have already seen at this point. The crazy Hellcat vinyl reveal with a good old Trump face on the thumbnail because, well, why not? All right, well, let's get ready for some incoming hate comments. We're gonna go here, public, save, there we go. And ta-da, she is live. It disappeared, that's lovely. Dude, this happened the last video I posted. I posted it, it just disappeared. And then it comes back like 5-10 minutes later. All right, so we finally got the video to show up. It took about 15 minutes for it to show up on YouTube, so that was strange. We'll check the comments here in a little bit. We'll wait for a few more views to go in. But actually right now we're about to drive about 45 minutes away to go try to buy some GoPros. I'll explain more in the truck. But Here is this side of the car, and going to this side. This side's almost done. Wait, it is done. It is done. Holy crap! That's so sick. Yeah, so we're just having some satin black door handles, satin black mirrors. Oh man, this is so sick. All the black accents that break it up, that's solid. Hell yeah. Leave it off? Weight reduction. Hi Zach.
Hey buddy.
Oh my god, it's bright out here. Okay, well yeah, here's Travis's car. I know I've showed it a couple times in videos. But yeah, Tiffany blue Lexus RCF, is that what it is? ISF, sorry Lexus guys, my bad. But yeah, really clean looking car. Just covered in pollen, because welcome to Houston. All right, do y'all want to explain what's going on now?
We're gonna go buy some GoPros.
We're gonna go buy some GoPros. And why are we doing that?
Because they're cheap.
How cheap?
Like stupid cheap.
Go ahead.
75 bucks cheap.
75 bucks. So apparently Dick's Sporting Goods has them for $75 for a Hero 5 session. And we're gonna try to go to Best Buy, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna try to go to Best Buy and try to get 4 of them and then do a giveaway with them. So hopefully this works out.
So how many are you buying?
All right, well, leaving Best Buy now. Got myself a sack of 3 of them. Zach, how many did you get? 2. Pays on? 2. we just bought 7 GoPros from Best Buy. So yeah, now it's time to figure out what to do with these guys. I'll have to think of a...
what should we do with GoPros?
I don't know, man. I think we're gonna have to figure out how we should give them away. All right, so we are back from buying a bunch of GoPros. We got Kyle and Zach here. I think we might actually pull the car out into the sunlight and take a look at it out in the open for once. You want to?
Yeah.
You got the key? Did you lose it?
Start me, Daddy.
I got it.
All right, wish me luck. Come on.
Driving a car without any mirrors?
Yeah.
I don't recommend it.
Hey, yo.
Wait, watch my tongue come in.
We're gonna.
So there was lights over there. There's lights here.
It's coming this way?
Yeah. I don't know, it looks good.
Bro.
Dope.
First impressions.
That's pretty dope.
That's what I'm talking about.
I like it. Yeah, the hood
What do you
looks
think?
really good.
The roof kind of looks black.
It does make the hood look black.
What do you think?
I love it.
Yo, Fishy. What do you think?
That's it.
That's what I'm talking about. It looks good.
Someone go drive the bitch around.
Dude, I've never driven a car without mirrors or anything. It's weird. I was like, I kept looking for a mirror.
I told Faison it looks like we just finished our project car.
So here's kind of a darker side on the car. Yeah, sure. Oh, the back looks real good. That is sick. Hell yeah. Y'all want to see my door handle? It's pretty fancy. So there's this little thing. You just gotta pull on it super hard and look, your door opens.
Weight reduction, yo.
Race car. I feel like SRT Mush in here. This is what he did when I saw him last time drag racing his Hellcat. Took out all the door panels. I'm just gonna leave them off. Okay, so the vinyl wrap reveal video has been live for about 5 hours now. So we're gonna open it up and read the comments. I have yet to read these. I know everybody else here has. I have yet to see what they say. So we're on Faison's account. Apparently their like to dislike ratio is doing pretty good for a crazy wrap. Usually it's very opinionated, either you love them or you hate them, like I said. Let's see what the top comments are. Very cool, man. Can't wait to see how it's done. Love it, man. Another classic in the making. 59 thumbs up on I don't know, man. It's okay. I like the new wrap. It looks amazing. Nope, but I'm glad you like it. Looks like a fishing lure. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Not feeling it, but respect for trying something different. Looks amazing. So yeah, like I said, very opinionated. Either you love it or you hate it.
If y'all need GoPros, hit us up. We got 10 of them.
We have 9. That is hideous. Well, I guess you need to slap some big ass wheels on it and call it a donk. Looks stupid. Grass monkeys would have been better. Well, yep, like I said, very opinionated. You either love it or you hate it, but I encourage you guys, if you're on the fence about it or whatever, to reserve your judgment until it's done. I think it should all piece together quite nicely, but what do I know?
Not shit.
Commenters.
And actually down here in the recommended videos from Vehicle Virgins, it looks like that BMW literally has the very similar paint scheme, so that's interesting.
Rap scheme, stay scheming.
Mob
Real
Auto
dogs.
Before we go back in the shop, just wanted to give a huge shout out to Mob Auto Boutique. Go subscribe to these guys. They're at 111 right now. Let's get them to a lot more than that. All right, so back in the shop now. We have a little bit of progress with the front bumper here and the rear bumper as well, where the license plate goes. And these goofballs are about to put my spoiler back in.
Square up, son. You know what I'm saying?
Be ready.
Catch these paws.
That's it.
Just kidding. I don't like to fight.
That's it. There we go.
No, we're not even close over here, bro.
Oh, watch your fingers.
Cool.
Professional.
It's
Don't
done.
try this at home.
It's done, time to leave. Hell yeah. Still probably have to change these to black, but we'll get to that. So that pretty much wraps up day 2 of the Hellcat. We're gonna call it the fishing lure wrap for the time being, because I saw that in the YouTube comments and that was a pretty good comment. I would say, yeah, it does look like a fishing lure. Kyle also wrapped my door handles in a satin black, so those will look nice. And yeah, I guess we're gonna try to finish it up tomorrow. Hopefully we can get her done. But yeah, I bought some GoPros today, so definitely be on the lookout for the information on how you can win yourself a GoPro Hero 5 session, which will happen sometime, like probably right around the time when I hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So just wanted to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. I don't make any money from subscriptions or anything like that. It's not really how YouTube works. It's mainly just a motivational thing. So seeing, you know, that number, it really means a lot to me. So thank you guys. But just as a small token of appreciation, a couple of you guys will be walking away with some GoPro Hero 5 sessions. So like I said, be on the lookout for more information there. But yeah, she's got all kinds of Challenger parts in this shop. Hopefully we can piece it back together quickly. But thank you guys for watching this video. And I've been reading the comments. I know a lot of you are kind of on the fence about the wrap. Understandably, it's a little bit different than white. But like I said, just wait for it to be done. I think it should look pretty good once we finally get it pieced together. Thank y'all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.